Oh, spent some time today cutting up the rest of these pieces. So it's all nice and dry fit for me to start laying glass in. I'm actually out of Coosa board for this, but I have a customer that has extra, so maybe I can work out a deal between the two to get that done. But other than that, everything's looking pretty good. I think I'm pretty much ready to bond this in. I'll do that tomorrow morning and give it a little skim coat with a grinder and start glassing it in. And what we're going to end up doing here, initially I was going to mold this all and decide to order the parts from a spot in Florida and go that route to save some time, save some of my time. So I don't know, if you're seeing this, go ahead, subscribe. We're going to be finishing this up. Share and like, it's always helpful. Thanks.